Hey everybody, so I wanted to show you guys how to use the getAttribute function. What you guys want to wind up doing, right, is you're gonna get your xpath. Whatever object you're looking at, you're gonna get your xpath. Now, if you want the value from that object, right, you're gonna have to pull up the inspect of the HTML. And if you can look, right, or if you can see it, it'll have a value, right? So the value I'm looking for is that date. 02/06/2021. I'm looking for that date. And so what we're going to do when we find that date is we're going to stuff that in the variable created date and then print it. And that's just what I'm doing, but you can do whatever you want with it. But that is how you get whatever attribute you want from getAttribute. But yeah, so hopefully that helped you.